In this video, I'm going to be using the rotary attachment with the BlazeX M3 mini laser machine. The setup of the rotary unit to the M3 laser machine is very quick and straightforward. I'll start out with the leg extensions, one installed in each of the four corners. They easily screw into the bottom, and it's a nice sturdy perch for the M3 laser machine. We're going to see that I have a piece of aluminum sheet metal underneath the machine. This is the backer plate that comes with the honeycomb for the M3 laser machine. I like to put this down just in case I tell the laser to go someplace where there's no material. I don't want to mark up my nice tabletop. The metal plate is held securely down to the table with two pieces of blue painter's tape. We're moving right along and we're almost done. The last thing I need to do on the setup is connect the cable from the rotary attachment up to the laser machine. And the rotary attachment, of course, includes that cable. There's a white connector on one side and that connects up to the motor. And on the other side is a USB connector that goes up to the machine labeled roller. Pretty straightforward. The white connector only plugs in one way. I'll place the rotary underneath the machine. The other end of the cable will plug into the machine.